Lots of fun. Oh, another Virginia. Dude, everyone, it's like all the tryhard people play Virginia, which, I mean, makes sense. She's pay to win, so. Pay to win. Virginia's and Wyatt's every game. I can't believe how many big swings that freaking Wyatt took last game. That was ridiculous, bro. Texas, oh, these are all Texas. Oklahoma is okay. Texas, New Mexico, Texas, Kentucky, Mississippi, Florida. What does that say? Oh, New Mexico, Louisiana, Arizona, the Canyon State, Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas, Florida. What's a Texas? A Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Looks like a lot of Texas and Louisiana, Florida, and New Mexico. Alright, what is my Bubba doing? That's weird. I guess we gotta go get blood buckets. I think half of them are babies, maybe? I don't know. Well, this is unfortunate. Guess I gotta collect the blood. Oh, I thought they woke the grandpa up for a second. I was like, what the hell? What the hell? Oh. Ooh, I'm getting a little hungry. I could wait for my stamina to come back, that's okay. Oh, where'd he go? Bro is teleporting. They're going out the little shed exit over here. They might be going for a generator. Anna's on me. She's going over, she's disrupting the chickens. What the heck? She doesn't get seen by Grandpa. Ooh, I got her though. Ooh, I got Anna. Let's go. Hope someone dropped down the well. Who dropped down the well? Wyatt's coming out the front door. I got him. Oh, that triple puncture in the neck, dude. Just let it flow, dude. Just let it flow. Alright, I'm gonna feed Grandpa. Feeding Grandpa, yo. She poisoned that. Alright, let's go get these rats out of here. Damn, level 4. Oh, there's Virginia. Dude, how the fuck does that miss? Oh my god, I ran out of stamina in the... Oh, I got one in my trap. He's up by the battery. I'm coming up to help you. He's going down the well. I got him. Triple for me. I'll take a triple kill. Just gonna try to go for Grandpa. character. Okay, so I think that they don't allow you to put the trap on the outside anymore, so we're gonna have to probably put this on the inside. So that is unlucky, dude, unlucky. It's an angry chicken. Wow, I cannot see shit. So dark. Somebody around here has to catch him. Oh, does Sissy start outside? I actually don't even know where she starts on this map. My bad. I locked the door in front of her face. My bad. Come on, wake up, Grandpa, bro. I want to come down and kill someone, bro. Hey, my teammates can feed Grandpa. Oh. Yeah. Go ahead and run. Alright, I got the Will or whatever his name is. Yeah. Yes, the blood. So it took 5 hits to kill him. Ooh, somebody's over here. Oh, that's freaking... He came down here with me. I forgore. So we have a Bones and a Sissy. That's kind of funny. Come on back. I won't hurt you. Maybe just a little. There's someone over here. What the fuck? Oh. Dude, I'm getting stuck on walls. Hello? I'm so slow. Julie's in the red room. Smackle, schmackle, schmickle, schmackle, bro. Oh, how does that second swing miss? She's still in the red room, slaughter room, whatever. Leatherface lair. Alright, I got her. She ran out of stamina. We have no alarms. We have no security alarms. That is no bueno. That is no bueno, my friend. Oh, got somebody else. Don't think these guys know what they're doing. Alright, we got one more. I kind of want to trap the I kind of want to trap Grandpa. I mean, I also kind of want him to run outside though too. Almost there. And this guy hasn't unlocked anything or done anything. Is he in the back over here? Nope, that's locked. I think I should go feed Grandpa now. We don't even have alarms. Alright, we should have 5 now. Yeah. Oh, he's right there. He's right in the middle. Oh, he caught my trap. Yeah. That 3K though.